Alright, so now we're going to do a room review. I'm at the Hampton Inn at Cypress, California, about 11 miles away from Disneyland. And there's also a Hilton. Alright, so I got a double queen. And here are the 2 queen beds. It's a really nice standard room. I don't really have much of a view here, but it is a view of the parking lot. And again, this is Cypress, California, about 11 miles away from Disneyland. So here's like a little desk with a chair. They do have an ice bucket for your convenience, a little coffee maker with some tea and coffee. Let's look in here. All right, here's some like, I guess shelvings. And here is a fridge. A nice spacious fridge. Here's the TV. Here's like another like table thing. We have a long mirror for your convenience. And at this door, pretty sure this is the bathroom area. It's kind of spacious and nice. Towels, some body lotion here. Have a nightlight for your convenience. Here's the toilet, commode, and the shower, bathtub. With some like body wash, shampoo, and lotion and conditioner. It's kind of nice in here. Here's me. So yeah. We do have free breakfast here. My room comes with free breakfast. Yeah, so my room comes with free breakfast. So I'll be showing you that tomorrow when I wake up. But other than that, the room is very spacious. It's nice and convenient. It's all I need. It's not like I'm gonna stay here all day. I'm here for Disneyland. So stay tuned for tomorrow morning. Niece Banana Splits decided to stay with me in my hotel room. All right, everyone, so we're in our room and we're about to head downstairs to have our free breakfast. And I have Niece Banana Splits with me. Say good morning. Good morning. We're heading down to our free breakfast. And I hope it's good. So let's see what they have.
They have boiled eggs.
Hard-boiled
You need
eggs.
some food, seasoning, and all your condiments.
And what's
Hot
this?
water.
Is this rice?
What is this?
Open it. It is
It's
rice.
Okay, so you have fresh rice, and then brown sugar, raisins, sliced almonds, and oatmeal.
For your oatmeal. And then
You have a waffle batter, like strawberry, and waffle batter, vanilla, and this is your waffle maker.
Yeah.
You have
Real whipped cream too.
whipped cream, strawberry paste, sprinkles, chocolate chips, chocolate sauce, caramel,
All for your waffles.
and I think this is like muffins and toast, bagels, and more toast. This is jams, peanut butter, and this is a toaster, and a microwave. There's some yogurt,
Cream cheese.
cheese, and whatever.
Here's the juice.
There's Froggle cornflakes, raisin cake.
Ooh, sounds good. Good morning. And what's here?
Western style omelet. Western style omelet, pork sausage, and red skin potatoes.
All right, let's eat up. Put a little all over. Perfect. And you throw away the cup. And you lock it. And you turn it over. No, no.
Oh, that's
There we go. It gives you how long it takes to cook. Okay. Perfect. Perfect. Thank you, Leah. Leah. Good morning. All right, so here's our little spread here. Yum. You're making my coffee. Perfect, right there. Yay. I do.
how much?
Come on. Good morning. Can I have some? Can I have some? What is that?
Apple.
Apple?
Yeah. What is it doing? What is it doing?
She's getting more food. Thank you for watching. I hope my video was helpful enough for you to get an inside look on what to expect when staying at the Hampton Inn at Cypress, California, which is about 11 miles away from Disneyland. And if you really enjoyed this video, please click the like button and subscribe to my channel. You can also check out my Instagram and Facebook page. And as always, thank you for watching. This is Travels by Auntie Jennie. Have a great day.